Good evening to all. Very good evening. Now, in the previous class, I completed up to 11 problems. That is, which of the following fractions are lies between 2 by 5 and 1 by 2? Hmm? So, simply we are converted them into decimal form. Easily we got the answer. That is what? Like a fourth one. 45 by 100 and 48 by 100 are lies between 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. Because this is 2 by 5 is 0.40. Ah, and this is called 1 by 2 means 0.50. That means 0.4548 are lies between the 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. That is. Now come. The reciprocal of 5 by 8 into minus 3 by 10. Solution of what? 12th. Who can say? Reciprocal. First you write the actual fraction value. 5 by 8 into minus 3 by 10. Then how to write this? See, is there any common factor? Huh? Is there any common factor? In the numerator and denominator, anyone? First, Lasha. Yes, 5 one time, 5 two times. It is there. Very good. Now this is called what? Multiply this. Numerator, numerator, denominator, denominator. Clear? Now what it is there? Minus 3 into 1, minus 3. That means 1 into minus 3. This is by 8 into 2. This is the meaning. This is called what? 1 into minus 3 is how much? Minus 3. By what? 16. Now this is a fraction. For a by b, what is the reciprocal of a by b? Say, I told already. For a by b, reciprocal means what? B by a you have to say. ఏం చెప్పాలి? ఏ బై బీకి రెసిప్రోకల్ ఏం చెప్పాలి? బి బై ఏ చెప్పాలి. मालूम है? ए बाई बी का रेसिप्रोकल क्या होता? बी बाई ए होता. ओके. नाउ इसका देन रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ माइनस 3 by 16 इज व्हाट? क्या होता बोलो ना. చెప్పాలి రాశా. yes, minus 16 by 3. This is the answer. Minus 16 by 3. Which is their answer? Say. Solution of this 12th one. 12th question. Huh? Third one. This is the answer. Very good. Huh? So like. Next. Multiply the reciprocal of, this value by the difference of these two values. How to do this? How to do this? Say. Anyone? Anyone? Yeah. Now see this. This is there. Okay. Now this is what? Multiply the reciprocal of what it is given. It is given, no? Any? Okay. Now is it looking? Now okay. Now what you do? Reciprocal. First you do the fraction value. Huh? So solution of which one? Number 13. How to do anyone? Multiply the reciprocal of this value by the difference of this value. Clear? That means first you write this 2 by 5 into minus 10 by 3. How to do this? First find this value. This value is what? 5 one time, 5 two times. This is equal to what? How much it is? Say. Anyone? Say. Multiply numerator, numerators. Denominator, denominators. Very good. Minus 4 by 3. Very good. Minus 4 by 3. This value. Now difference of these two. Iska reciprocal what? Then reciprocal is what? Then reciprocal. Reciprocal is what? What is the reciprocal of minus 4 by 3? Yes, minus 3 by 4. This value you have to multiply the difference of these two. So difference of here, difference of 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. How we can write, say, anyone? How to write? कैसे लिख सकते हैं इसको difference? 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. What do you write this? 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. Now, so how to subtract this? Take the LCM. LCM of 2 and 3. What is there? 2 and 3. LCM is what? 2 directly. 2 and 3 both are prime numbers. No common factor. That's why directly you multiply. 2 3s are 6. So 6 is the LCM value. Now 2 divides the 6 how many times?
3 times, sir.
So 3 times means 3 1 ja 3. Minus. 3 divides the 6 how many times?
2 times, sir.
So what I write? What I write? 2 1 ja 2 it is. This means what? 1 by 6. Now the product of this one and this one is asking. The product of this one and this one. So therefore, what you say this? So therefore answer is then. Some more reduction I want to do this. See this. Then what it is there? Your answer is what? Question is multiply the reciprocal of this value with the difference of these two. So we know the reciprocal of this value is what? This. And difference of these two values is what? This. You multiply these two. So therefore minus 3 by 4 into 1 by 6. Now say, is there any cuttings? Common factors? Say,
Reasonable, sir.
yes. 3 one time, 3 2 times. Over. This is denominator, this is now don't cut it. ये दोनों भी डिनोमिनेटर में ना कट नहीं करना है इनको. ऊपर वाले 1 1 है. अब क्या करना? मल्टीप्लाई. What it is there? 1 into 1. 4 into 2. Like. Say how much?
1 by 8, sir.
Very good. Minus 1 by 8. This is the answer. See where it is there? Which one?
Third one, sir.
Third one. Very good. Third one is the answer. Like. Two fractions between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. This is what the 14th problem. Two fractions. I told how to find the fraction between the given fractions. Two fractions between what? 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. Say, who can say one fraction? 2 by 3. Say, how I told to find fraction between these two? 2 plus 3 by 3 plus 4. Like I told, na, one fraction. A plus C by B plus D. Told na? So what is there? 2 plus 3 by 3 plus 4. Comma 3 by 4. This ఒకటి వచ్చింది. This is the one. So once again I will be write this. 2 by 3 comma 5 by 9, 5 by 7 and 3 by 4. Now one more you can see, that is 5 by 7 came one. ఇగో ఈడ వచ్చింది, మళ్ళీ ఈడ కూడా ఉందండి. వన్ మోర్ ఇక్కడ కూడా ఉంది. కాబట్టి యూ క్యాన్ గో టు కంపేర్ అగైన్. సో దట్ ఈస్ వాట్. నౌ యూ క్యాన్ టేక్ బిట్వీన్ దీస్ టూ. ఈ రెండు మధ్యలో ఇంకోటి కనుక్కోండి. ఏమొస్తుందండి? సే 5 by 7 కామా క్యా హోతా? డైరెక్ట్ చెప్పొచ్చు కదా. डायरेक्ट बोल सकते हैं ना
11 sir.
वेरी गुड 8/11 కామా 3/4 అండి మళ్ళీ ఇన్ బిట్వీన్ దీస్ టూ ఆల్సో క్యాన్ ఏబుల్ టు ఫైండ్ నా చెప్పండి చూద్దాం
7/10.
2/3 కామా 7/3 + 7 10 అండ్ సేమ్ 5/7 కామా 8/11 ఇట్లనే మనం ఎన్నైనా బిట్వీన్ గివెన్ నెంబర్స్ పెట్టొచ్చండి చూద్దాం ఎనీ 2 అన్నాడండి 2 సో విచ్ ఆప్షన్ యూ మే బి టేక్ సో లైక్ వాట్ ఆర్ దేర్ లైక్ 5/7 is there and 8/11 is there see ఇవి ఉన్నాయి కదా రెండు ఇక్కడ 7/10 లేదు 7/10 కూడా ఉందండి ఓ 7/10 is also there and 5/7 is also there సో ఎనీ 2 బోత్ 1 and 3 అందుకని ఏం చెప్పాలండి దిస్ వన్ అండ్ దిస్ వన్ ఇస్ దేర్ ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ వాట్ 4th క్లియరా వాట్ ఈస్ ఆన్సర్ వాట్ యువర్ ఆన్సర్ కెన్ సే బోత్ 1 and 3 అంటే 1లో ఉన్నది 8/11 ఉంది 5/7 ఉంది 7/10 ఉంది 5/7 ఉంది ఇగో 10/7 5/7 7/10 5/7 అండ్ 8/7 8/11 ఆర్ దేర్ నా ఉన్నాయా क्या है जी है क्या नहीं है what happened no one is speaking with me మరి వీళ్ళందరూ ఉన్నారా ఇంతకు आर यू देर आल ऑफ
Yes sir.
अरे क्या है भाई पूरा नींद में है so look at this is there now next one now simplify this very simple it is 15th one say who can help me solution of 15th how we can do 26/9 into 3/7 within the bracket minus 13/14 into -2/3 this is now say any common factors are there you can cut it say all of అందరు చెప్పాలి 3 one time 3 times 2 one time 2 7 times now no more common नहीं कट नहीं होता so right say what I write first bracket value last year 26 into 1 what
26/21 sir.
yes 26/21 now here minus into minus here minus ఉంది కదా what it is minus into minus plus 13 1 ja 13 by 7 3 ja 21
21 sir.
21 now these are what type of fractions are these say
Like fraction sir.
लाइक फ्रैक्शंस बोले तो ऊपर का डायरेक्ट ऐड कर सकते हैं 21 डाल के नीचे 21 plus 26 plus 13 now is equal what 3 plus All are listening my voice?
Yes, sir.
Say, what is the option?
Fourth one, sir.
Fourth one. ఇంత పొద్దు చెప్తారు మీరు. Fourth one. Fourth one is your answer. That is. Understood all?
Yes, sir.
Note them. So like, shall we go to the next problems?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Noted all these question with answers?
Yes.
Now just now I told how to insert the any two fraction between a by b and c by d. That is a by b. If you want to between a by b and c by d, if you want to insert a one fraction, then it becomes a by b, a plus c by b plus d. Already we did. Next, what should be subtracted from minus 7 by 8 so as to get a 5 by 12? How much you can subtract? From minus 7 by 8, you get this value. That means, let us say x. So, that is minus 7 by 8 minus of x is equal to what? 5 by 12 రావాలా కదా. మనం ఎంత సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాము? ఎక్స్ వాల్యూని దీంట్లోకి వెళ్ళి సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం. हम कितना सब्ट्रैक्ट कर रहे सोचना x. अंडरस्टूड. दिस वन माइनस x इज इक्वल टू कितना आना 5 by 12 आना. So then see this what it is there. So here just you can shift to this right side, then it becomes what? ये यहाँ पे इधर तरफ माइनस है, उधर गए तो क्या होता? प्लस होता. अंडरस्टूड. I want to shift this x value to right side and shift this value to left side. Huh? Then what it becomes? Anyone? చెప్పండి చూద్దాం. minus 7 by 8 ఇది ఇక్కడ వస్తే ఏమవుతుందండి? ఇది ప్లస్ ఉంది కదా, ఇక్కడ వస్తే ये माइनस हो जाता. minus 5 by 12 इज इक्वल व्हाट? ये उधर जा रहा ना, ये इसका नेचर चेंज करके प्लस हो जाता. I told already, if you shift the minus value to right side or other side, then it becomes what? Plus. If you shift to the plus value to other side of the equal, then it becomes what? Minus. If you shift to the into, then they becomes what? Division symbol. Divides. And the dividing value, if you say shift to, then they becomes multiplies. Okay, that is. Now this is equal to what? X. X is there. So like LCM you have to take. What is the LCM of 8 and 12? 8 and 12 LCM. Do anyone fast? Cheppandi. What is the LCM of these two? Fast. Say.
24, sir.
Very good. Like 4 2 times 4 3 times 4 to the 8 8 3 the 24. So like 24 is the LCM of 8 and 12. Now what we do? Say anyone? This 24. This 24 is divided by what? 8. How many times? 8 divides 24 how many times?
3 times, sir.
So say result is say 3 times. 3 in this ko em cheyale? Minus 7 into 3 anala. Like this is in bracket. Minus. Now this 24 divided by 12 how many times?
2 times, sir.
So 2 times. So then what I take? What I write? ఇప్పుడు ఏం రాయాలి నేను? 2 times అని చెప్పినావు కదా, ఇప్పుడు ఏం రాయాలి మళ్ళీ చెప్పు? ఏం రాయాలా? 2 into 5 చేయాలా? మైనస్ రాశాను ఇక్కడ. సో 2 times కాబట్టి 2 into 5 or 5 into 2. You can take any. This is like is equal to what? X. Now say what it is? Minus 7 3s how much? చెప్పాలి ఇంకా అక్కడ చూసి చెప్పాలి.
21, sir.
minus 21 बोलना है यहाँ पे, देख के बोलना. minus 5 2 times
Minus 10, sir.
minus 10 by 24 is equal to what? X. Both are minus. Then how much? Minus 21 minus 10 is what? Minus 24 minus 10 is what?
31, sir.
मैं क्या आवाज कोई भी नहीं बोले, लाशा अकेला बोल रही, पूरा क्लास तमाम. Huh? You have to say all. Huh? So minus 31 by what? 24. This is equal to what? X. This is the answer. This much you have to subtract. So which is your answer? Solution of 16. Solution. Say. Which one?
First one.
फर्स्ट वन ना? अरे क्या देख रहे हैं भाई आप तो?
First one, sir.
ये -30 नहीं भाई, 13/24 को आंसर दिए तो आप चले जाते हैं, आंसर फेल हो जाते एग्जाम में. लुक केयरफुली, -31/24 सेम इज देयर ना. हाँ, एज इट इज बोलने को भी नहीं आया तो कैसा? सो आंसर इज व्हाट? फोर्थ वन. दिस इज one fraction between 2/3 and 3/4. Say, this is what? 17. One fraction 2/3 and 3/4. చెప్పండి, ఒక ఫ్రాక్షన్ చెప్పండి. What I write first? 2/3. Now between which one you want to write? Say, who can say? చెప్పాలండి, మీరే చెప్పాలి. ఈ రెండిటి మధ్యలో ఒక ఫ్రాక్షన్ చెప్పండి. Yes, very good. What is your name? Afsa, very good. 2 plus 3 by 3 plus 4. Like A plus C by B plus D. Very good, Afsa. Keep it up. 5/7 and 3/4. So our answer is this is. Is there? Is there? Check. 5/7? Yes, is there. Third one is your answer. Third one is your answer. Now next, 18th one. If 3/7 of a number is 27, then the number is, so solution is here. 3/7 of a number. Let us say we don't know the number na. X you can think. X into 3/7 is equal to what you write? 27 you can write. So that is solution of 18. ఒక నంబర్లో 3/7 వాల్యూ ఎంత వస్తుందంటే 27 వస్తుందట. అయితే ఆ నంబర్ కనుక్కోవాలి. एक नंबर में 3/7 पार्ट क्या हो रहा? 27 आ रहा. सो वो नंबर फाइंड आउट करना. सो 3/7 पार्ट ऑफ ए नंबर, जो नंबर अपने को मालूम नहीं है ना, उसको x समझना. x इज इक्वल व्हाट? 27 कैन टेक. देन व्हाट इज x इज इक्वल से x, अदरवाइज 3x इज इक्वल व्हाट यू राइट? 3x इज इक्वल टू 27 रायाला. 27 लिखना. अब ये 7 डिवाइड कर रहा ना, उधर गए तो इंटू करता है इसको. Into 7. Now I want x is equal. X is equal what I write? X is equal what I write? X equal to ఇది రాయాలా ఫస్ట్, తర్వాత 3 గురించి ఆలోచించాలి. क्या करना है? 27 into 7 लिखना. और 3x को क्या करती थी यहाँ पे? इंटू कर रही थी ना. अगर इसको यहाँ पे नहीं लिखे बोले तो ये उधर भेज रहे बोले ऐसा, అక్కడ పంపిస్తున్నాం అన్నట్లా. ఇక్కడ ఇంటూ చేసేది అక్కడ పంపిస్తే ఏమవుతుంది? वो डिवाइड करती उधर. इधर इंटू कर रहा बोलते उधर जाके क्या करती उन्हें? इंटू कर देती. सो बाई डिवाइड करती यहाँ पे. हियर इंटू इट इज मल्टीप्लाइंग. सो वंस आई शिफ्टेड टू राइट साइड, इट बिकम डिवाइड द राइट साइड वैल्यूज. दैट इज. सो नाउ कॉमन फैक्टर इज देयर. 3 1 time, 3 9 times. This is. Now what is x is equal? What is x is equal? Say, anyone? What is x is equal? X value is how much? 63. అందరూ స్పీడ్గా చెప్పాలండి. ఓన్లీ వన్ క్యాండిడేట్ ఈస్ గివింగ్ ద రెస్పాన్స్ ఆన్సర్. ఇట్స్ నాట్ గుడ్ టు యూ. దిస్ ఇస్ వాట్? 63. దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఆన్సర్. సి వేర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ దేర్? Fourth one. Very good. Fourth one. This is the answer. Like, understood? Understood all of? Okay. Note them all. Solutions I did here. This is what 18th solution, and this is the solution of 17th and 16th. 3 problem solution are here only. Okay, next one. Can I go to next?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now see, simplify this value. 5 1/4 minus 2 1/3 plus 1/3. Half. Half means into. 5 1/2 divided by 2 1/5. So see how it is there. How it is there. So we can go to next page. 5 1/4. 5 1/4 divided by what it is there? Sorry, minus 2 1/3. Minus 2 1/3. Minus 2 1/3. Sorry. Minus 2 1/3 plus 1/3. Plus 1/3. Plus 1/3. Of 5 and half. 5 1/2 divided by 2 1/5. 2 1/5. This is the question. How much you will be get? Simplify this. Say how to write this. How much? Convert that into improper fraction. Say who can say fast? ఎవరు చెప్తారండి? ఇంప్రాపర్ ఫ్రాక్షన్గా చెప్పాలా. బోలో నా ఇంప్రాపర్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ కైసా ఆతా? లాస్యా వస్తుందా నీకు? వస్తుందా ఇంప్రాపర్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఎట్లా చేయాలో మిక్స్డ్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ని? చెప్పిన కదా ఆల్రెడీ టోల్నా తెలియదా మళ్ళీ? క్యా సభీలో ఖాళీ కామెంట్స్ बैठ गए. 4 5 how much? 20. 20 plus 1. 21. You can write as what? 21/4 this is. Minus, what is this next one?
7, sir.
3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 by what? 3. 7 by 3 plus 1/3 is the bracket value. Now this is the half. Half means what? Into only it is. Half అంటే ఇంటూ చేయాలి. What is this?
11/2, sir.
వెరీ గుడ్. 11. ఇట్లా మీకు చూపిస్తే కానీ మీకు రానట్టున్నాయి కదా ఇవి. డివైడెడ్ బై
11/2, sir.
11/5.
11/5.
2 అంటావమ్మా. 11/5. నౌ ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? హౌ వీ కెన్ సబ్ట్రాక్ట్?
11, sir.
యూ క్యాన్ టేక్ వాట్? సి ఇవి రెండు ఏం చేయాలా? హౌ టు సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ దెమ్? టేక్ ద ఎల్సిఎం. ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ని యాడ్ చేయాలన్నా సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలన్నా ఎల్సిఎం చేయాలి కంపల్సరీ. అండర్స్టూడ్? దట్ ఈస్ 4 3 ఎల్సిఎం. వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఎల్సిఎం ఆఫ్ డినామినేటర్స్? డైరెక్ట్ 4 3 ఆర్ దట్ ఈస్ co-primes. That's why I can directly multiply. No common factor is there. 4 3 are 12 it is. Now 12 multiplied by 4 divided by 4 how many times? Say 12 divided by 4 is what?
3 times, sir.
3 times. 3 into what? 3 into 21 is the first fraction. Minus this 3 divides 12 how many times? Say 4 times. 4 into 7 ऐसा plus 1/3 separate है तो half value half. Now 11/2 by 11/5. This is there. Now this is what we write. 21 3 times. How much? 21 3 times. Multiply 3.
63, sir.
63 minus 4 7 ja. Say fast. 28 by 12 plus 1/3 separate this is, and half of this what? 11/2 into what? Into say a by b. అరే ఇది మెయిన్ డివిజన్ ఇడ ఉన్నది. ఇది సెకండ్ టైం కాబట్టి డివైడ్ కాదు. ఇంటూ అవుతుంది అది. మీకు ఎన్నిసార్లు చెప్పాలి మీకు ఫిఫ్త్ క్లాస్లో ఉన్న ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ 5/11 ఇది ఇట్లా. సో దెన్ దిస్ ఈజ్ వాట్ నౌ 63 minus 28. 13 minus 8 is what? 5. Now 5 minus 2 is what? 3
Yes, sir.
by 12 plus 1 by 3. Now this is 11, one time 11 cut it. So half 5 by 2. So now find the result of this. Find the result of this. LCM is what? 12 and 3. For 12 and 3, what is LCM do? Do all of. Find the LCM of 12 and 3. What it is there? Say fast. For these denominators, you can find the that is LCM. If you want to add these fractions, it should be take the LCM of denominators. Say what it is. Lasya. 12 only. Very good. Like 12, 3. With the 3 table. 3 4s are 1 time. So 3 into 4 into 1. This is equal to what? 12 only. Like 12. Now 12 divided by 12, how many times?
One time, sir.
So 1 time. 1 into what? 35. Plus 12 divided by 3, how many times?
Four times, sir.
So 4 into what?
One, sir.
1. Half 5 by 2. This is 35 plus 4 by 12 half 5 by 2. Half and into jala. This is what 39 by 12 into 5 by 2 అని అర్థం. Half means into. So this is what? What it is there? 39 5 times by 12 2 times రాయాల. How much? Let us say 40. 4 5 are 20 means 200. That is 195 by. Otherwise 5 9 times how much? 5 9s are
45, sir.
45 means 5 carry 4. 5 3s are
15, sir.
15 plus 4. 15 plus 4 19. 195 by 24. This is the answer. So this is, now we can do this any 10 15 to 4. It is cutted by some table. So you can cut it 3 8 times and 3 6 times 18, 3 5 times. So this is given as now 65 divided by 8 right into mixed fractions. 65 by 8 आया था आपको आंसर. Now you write this into mixed fraction. ఇది ఇంప్రాపర్ ఉంది కదా, న్యూమరేటర్ ఎక్కువ ఉంది కదా, దీన్ని మిక్స్డ్ రాయాలా. మిక్స్డ్ రాయాలంటే ఏం చేయాలి? 8 తోటి 65 డివైడ్ చేస్తే 8 8 టైమ్స్ 64 అవుతుందండి. అండ్ రిమైండర్ 1 ఉంటుంది. దీన్ని ఎట్లా రాసుకోవచ్చండి మళ్ళీ ఇప్పుడు? హౌ టు రైట్ దిస్? 8 టైమ్స్ రాయాలా. ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇంటిజర్. 8 ఇంటిజర్ 1/8 బల్కి లిఖనా. 1/8. This is the answer. This is the answer. Check your options. Check your options. Which is there?
First one, sir.
Yes, first one is there. First one is there. First one is there. So like first one is there. First one is the answer. So like note. Half means what? At last you can put into. Half ante into అని అర్థం. ఓకేనా? Understood the problem?
Yes, sir.
Noted? Okay, next question. So this is 19 over. Next, two fractions between 1 by 2 and 4 by 5. Among the following are. Two fractions చేయమన్నాడండి. Very simple problem it is. 1 by 2, 4 by 5. వీటి మధ్యలో రెండు ఫ్రాక్షన్ చెప్పాలి. చెప్పండి చూద్దాం. సే anyone? One fraction first you have to insert. What it is? 1 by 2, comma. बोलो ना एक फ्रैक्शन. Yes, 5 by 7, comma 4 by 5. ఇప్పుడు ఇంకోటి చెప్పండి. 1 by 2, comma 5 by 7. లేదా ఈ రెండు కూడా చెప్పొచ్చు. ఇగో 1 + 5 6 కదా, 6 by 9 అనొచ్చు. నెక్స్ట్ ఈ రెండు మళ్ళీ యాడ్ చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుందండి? 9 by 12 వస్తుంది. కామా 4 by 5. ఇక్కడ 5 by ఇది ఉంటుంది ఇంకా 5 by 7. ఆఫ్టర్ దిస్ బిట్వీన్ దీస్ టు వాట్? 5 + 4 9. 9 by 12, కామా 4 by 5. ఇవి ఉంటాయి. సో 3 ఐ ఇన్సర్టెడ్. 3 ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ. ఏవి వచ్చినాయి చూడండి. ఏమైనా వచ్చినాయా? 5 by 7 వచ్చింది, 2 by 3. సో అఫ్ కోర్స్ ఇక్కడ ఉంది కదా 3 2 times, 3 3 times. దట్ మీనింగ్ ఇస్ ఆన్సర్ ఈస్ 2 by 3 and 5 by 7. ఈ రెండు చాలు. ఎనఫ్. 2 ఓన్లీ ఈజ్ ఆస్కింగ్. చూడండి విచ్ ఇస్ దేర్ ఆప్షన్ ఇన్ ఆల్ దీస్?
First one, sir.
ఫస్ట్ వన్. ఎనీ మోర్ ఇంకేమైనా ఉన్నాయా? ఉన్నాయాడా? నో. 9 by 5 ఉందండి. 9 by 12 ఉంటే వచ్చేది ఇక్కడ. यहाँ पे 9 by 7 है, ये भी नहीं आता. 9 by 12 आना. That is the answer. So your answer is what? This is there. First one. That is. Next word, divide the product of 3.5 and 1 integer 1 by 6 by 1 integer 2 by 3. ये दोनों को प्रोडक्ट्स को इससे डिवाइड करना बोल रहा हूँ नहीं तो. Then what it is say? That is divide. The question is divide the product of these. Product means what I write? Into. Product means what? Into. So 3 1 by 2, 1 1 by 6. 3 product of 3 1 by 2 and 1 1 by 6. इज इक्वल व्हाट आई राइट? बोलो ना कैसे लिखना है इसको? 2 3 times plus 1.
7 by 2, sir.
అంత చెప్పినాక 7 బిట్ అందరు చెప్తారు. ఫస్టే చెప్పాలి. 7 by 2. ప్రోడక్ట్ నా ఇంటూ కెన్ టేక్. వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్?
7 by 6, sir.
7 by 6. Very good. 7 by 6. Now this is called what? Is there any common table between numerator and denominator? No. So therefore, what do you do? Direct multiply cheyandi. What it is? Say
49 by 12, sir.
49 by 12. Very good. This value you can divide with what? Divide with 1 1 by 2. इसको वो प्रोडक्ट वैल्यू किससे डिवाइड करना? 1 2 by 3 से डिवाइड करना. So now this is then 49 by 12 is divided by 3 1 by 2 na? What is there? 1 2 by 3. 1 2 by 3. 1 2 by 3. చెప్పండి ఇప్పుడు. Then what it is? 49 by 12 divided by how much it is? 1 2 by 3 means 1 integer 2 by 3. That is how to write mix. That is like a improper fraction. Say
6 by 3.
yes. No. 3 1 ja 3 plus 2.
5 by 3, sir.
This we can write as like 3 1 ja 3 plus 2 by 3. ऐसा लिख सकते हैं इसको हम. This is 49 by 12 divided by 3 1 ja 3 and 5 by 3 అయితే. చెప్పండి ఇప్పుడు. 49/12 మెయిన్ డివిజన్ లైన్ ఇది బై 5/3. ఇది కూడా ఏం చెప్పాలి చెప్పండి చూద్దాం. बोलो आप कैसा लिख सकते हैं इसको.
49/12 into 3/5, sir.
very good 3/5. Now common table is there between 12 and 3. 3 one time, 3 4 times. Answer is what?
49/20, sir.
Very good. Is there any option? Is there any option? 49/20. So convert this into improper. Given is what? Improper. Numerator ఎక్కువ ఉంది, denominator తక్కువ ఉంది, డివైడ్ చేయండి. మిక్స్డ్ ఇచ్చిన ఆన్సర్లో. How to do? Divide with 20. How many times it is possible?
2 times, sir.
2 times. What? 40. Now remainder 9. Now how to write this? First write this quotient value. 2 integer 9/20. 9/20. This is the answer. 22 is 40 plus 9, 49/20. So this is the answer. Say which is the option?
Second one, sir.
Yes, second one. Second one correct. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
So noted the question. Now once again I'll be show the solution. See the solution. Solution of which question it is? 20 na? Yes, 21. Solution of 21 it is. 21. This is. Now come to the next question. A magazine has 60 pages of which 7/12 are for advertising and 4/15 have only photographs on them and the rest are for articles and stories. How many pages have articles and stories on them? There are how many pages are there? 60 pages. ikkane chedama. You can do this here only. First one, solution of 22. Solution of 22. What is there? Total pages are how many are there in a magazine? 20. 60 pages. Total pages. मैगजीन में कितने पेजेस है? 60 पेजेस है. ओके, 60 पेजेस. इन ये 60 पेजेस में 7/12 पेजेस क्या हो रहा? एडवर्टाइजिंग के लिए छोड़ दिए. फॉर एडवर्टाइजिंग हाउ मेनी पेजेस आर लेफ्ट? से फॉर एडवर्टाइजिंग, for advertising, how many are there? 7/12 part in total. 7/12 into 60 and artham. Now cut it. How many pages you will be get for advertising? 12 one time. Say 5 times. 12 5 times. Is equal to what? 7 5 are 35 pages. 35 pages they are left for only what? Advertising. Okay, next. R for advertising. 4/15 have only photographs. For photographs. For photos. Photos. How many they are given? 4/15. 4/15 of 60. This is. Then this means 15 one time. 15
4 times, sir.
4 times. Means what? 16 pages. 4 for the 16 pages. 16 pages are for photos. Next, remaining for articles and stories. So first we can add these and subtract from this. So for articles and stories, articles and stories ఏమొస్తుందండి? टोटल 60 ఉన్నాయి. माइनस इसमें क्या क्या है? एडवर्टाइजिंग को 35 गए और फोटोज कितने गए ना? 35 प्लस 16. इन दोनों को ऐड करके इसमें से निकाल दिए तो अपने को जितने भी पेजा बचे वो क्या होते? आर्टिकल्स और स्टोरीज के लिए छोड़े सो रहते. अंडरस्टूड दिस? नाउ से 60 minus what it is? 35 plus 16 is how much? We can say 35 plus 16.
51, sir.
51. 51. So result is what? Result is what?
9 pages.
9 pages. Very good. 9 pages. This is the answer. Which option you want to go?
Second one, sir.
Second one. This is the answer. Like this is. Okay, understood this?
Yes, sir.
Note them. So like in the next class.